They didn't know no better. Well, they knew better. A guy come up to him and told 4 players, if you blow this game, I'll give you 5 years salary in cold cash. I mean, think about it. If you're making 10 a year and they're going to give you 50,000, I mean, like, it'd be like getting $1 million today. Oh, I think I'll blow a game for $1 million.
You hear Papa? Do you hear Papa?
Back then, you know, you didn't get that big of money to play basketball. Baseball. That would have
You look so concerned. Yeah, you do.
They did. They said, I'm in. Yeah, I felt really good watching the end of that game. The terrible, Jenny said the officiating was poor.
I love you.
She said they were not calling all day long. But I'm telling you what, the one on Allen at the end, he might have slid his foot. I'd say no.
I love you.
To me, it's always a block in that situation. It goes to the offensive guy if it's a tie. They didn't give it to Bagley's, wasn't it?
Do you love Mama?
You know the line like this?
Mommy loves you.
You're inside when you're set? Yeah. Well, on Allen's, he wasn't inside that line. He had 1 foot on and 1 foot out. That should automatically be a block. And on Bagley's, Bagley faked the guy out to the left and turned. And this guy turned with him and then set his feet before Bagley took another step and walked. No way. That quick, there ain't no way.
Yeah, but if he's outside of it, then it's a charge. If he's inside of that line, it's a.
He was inside the line.
But if he's got 1 in and 1 out, they consider him out.
Well, no, I'm saying in Bagley's, he was inside 100%. He wasn't outside the line. That's what I'm saying. Bagley's. Kay come flying off the bench yelling. I thought they were technical. And he just looked at him and I think he said, you jackass, and turned around. Because I thought that he was going to get a tee out of the game. Now, Jake said that, what's-his-face got a tee and it was called for, Jake said that Allen got a technical for doing something.
Oh, he did check them.
Yeah, what's him check?
He missed a shot and he stepped in.
Are you talking to Mommy?
He checked him.
I said, what's that?
He goes, flagrant 1.
Yeah, I go, what's that? Jake said, I don't know. Yeah, I've never seen it.
They showed the replay on ESPN.
Are you blowing bubbles?
Well, you know what? Well, I wasn't dirty. He just did it intentionally. Bad call.
Are you blowing bubbles?
You know who used to say it the best? That Jake Bellis goes, yeah, you might want to call the flagrant 1, but he goes, what it is you get smoked and everybody does it. Or if you get a bad call or two, you think this is bullcrap. And you're going to react. That's a human thing.
Yeah, retaliate.
Yeah, I'm going to retaliate.
Do I only get 1 smile out of you a day?
They said, did you ever do it? He goes, well, why did you think that? And he laughed. Jake Bellis.
You have the best smile.
See now, Christian Laettner.
Yes, you do.
Duke fans hated him. I thought he was a stud.
Well, he was a good ball player.
He'd go into the locker rooms and they'd be yelling at him and he'd just be waving.